A moment of glory. Freddie Freeman's grand slam. The crowd erupted. Freddie Freeman, the picture of focus and determination, rounded the bases. A grand slam. It was a moment etched in baseball history, a testament to skill, strategy, and a little bit of luck. But behind the roar of the crowd and the thrill of victory lies another game, one played off the field, with stakes just as high. This is the game of money management, and it's a challenge faced by rookies and veterans alike. Just like hitting a fastball, managing your finances in baseball requires precision, discipline, and a whole lot of strategy. The pressure is immense, the decisions are tough, and the consequences of a mistake can be devastating. But just like in baseball, there's always a way to improve your game. Baseball is a world of big contracts, endorsement deals, and unimaginable wealth. But it's also a world of uncertainty. Careers are short, injuries happen, and the next big contract is never guaranteed. That's why managing money in this environment is crucial, but often overwhelming. Think about it. Young players, fresh out of the minors, suddenly find themselves with more money than they've ever seen. The temptation to spend lavishly, to enjoy the fruits of their labor, is understandable. However, without the right guidance and financial literacy, it's easy to fall into bad habits that can have long-term consequences. We've all been there. Someone offers advice, but we brush it off. Maybe we think we know better, or maybe we're just not ready to hear it. But when it comes to money, listening to those who have been there, done that, can be the difference between striking out and hitting a home run. I've seen countless athletes, some at the top of their game, struggle with financial issues. They thought they had it all figured out, but the allure of quick riches and the pressure to keep up appearances can cloud even the clearest judgment. That's where listening, truly listening, comes into play. It's about being open to different perspectives, even if you're initially skeptical. A trusted advisor, a mentor who's seen the ups and downs of the baseball world, can provide invaluable insights. Just like a manager calls for a specialist in a tight game, seeking professional help with your finances is a sign of strength, not weakness. A financial advisor is like a coach for your money. They can help you develop a game plan, create a budget, make smart investments, and navigate the complexities of taxes and contracts. Remember Freddie Freeman's grand slam? It wasn't just luck, it was the result of years of practice, guidance from coaches, and a deep understanding of the game. Managing your money is no different. It takes dedication, education, and the willingness to seek expert advice when needed. Freddie Freeman isn't just a force at the plate. He's known for his savvy off the field as well. He understands that long-term financial security requires careful planning and disciplined spending. One of the most important lessons we can learn from Freddie is the importance of budgeting. It doesn't matter if you're making the league minimum or signing a multi-million-dollar contract, a budget is the foundation of sound financial management. It's about understanding where your money is going, identifying areas where you can save, and making sure you're prioritizing your financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, investing for retirement, or simply having a safety net, a budget helps you stay on track and avoid financial pitfalls. The roar of the crowd, the thrill of victory, the legacy you build, that's what baseball is all about. But the game extends beyond the diamond. Taking control of your finances gives you the freedom to focus on what matters most, playing the game you love and securing your future. Just like a walk-off home run, achieving financial success takes determination, strategy, and a little bit of guidance along the way. Remember, you don't have to hit it out of the park every time. Every small step you take towards financial literacy is a win. Now, go out there and make smart choices. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you for reading, like, comment, share, and follow me at LaRoyaBrown.k for more.